If you ever wanted to draw people, this is a great place to start. I'm going to show you, even if you're just beginning, this is where you want to be. Honestly, what you need to do is get some shapes down, like that shape, and practice these shapes. Because people are shapes. And it's kind of like writing your name. The more you do it, the better you get. Now this is the chest, and there we have 1, 2, 3. You know, you might just practice that one day. And I guarantee you, you'll get good at drawing people, but you won't get good at it if you don't do it. You keep adding to it, see? You keep repeating the same thing. And don't worry if it doesn't turn out each time. Just keep adding the same thing. And let's add some joints here. And I'll forget the elbow. Just pull it down. See? Could be at a counter. Or could be doing another yoga position. Doing the cobra, or beginning to. So we're working on little flicks, even if it gets skinny, see? Whatever you do, get the shapes down and start adding all the parts. That's an awfully long neck. That's what happens when you do a lot of yoga. Okay, so let's turn this over and let's do a few more. This is going to be a full body. Got the head. One has a slim neck, one a little wider. And here we go. We've added all the parts. Let's make this one slimmer. And now this is, I'm going to do the quick one here. I'm not going to do all the joints. On here, very simple, little straighter legs. Make sure the feet point out. Notice I'm using a flicking stroke here, and I'm bringing my hands pretty much down past the waist and the top of the hips. Add a little hair. And you can see that we've got a good start on some people. And over here, we'll do the slow one once more. There are many variations on the head. This is 2 on the side, round on the top, small neck. And I'm just going to go really simple here, coming in and then going out, round, and halfway, and another halfway. You can put a knee here and a knee here, join them up. Can put an ankle. You're starting to see how the body is formed. A line in the middle and then out a bit. Now, of course, these look a little like duck feet, but don't worry about it. It gives you the idea that the feet are in the right position here. It's not like the feet are going straight out unless you're in ballet. Now, some people put the shoulder right into the shoulder. And then you can put the elbow here and the elbow here and the wrist not quite halfway here, and you can join those up and you can put a little hand down to the waist. This is really worth getting good at. Get some ears in there and some hair. So basically we have our figures. This one you want to practice so that you can get the proportions well balanced. Then you start to play with it. And you can do any proportion you want here, depending on the character you're drawing. And you start to simplify, and you start to, I do my hands with a quick little flick out and in. You can do round on the top and flick in. You can draw hands if you want, but this is one of the things that you get good at and it becomes your own. Well, you keep practicing that, and we'll see you in some future videos.